So first we're asking everyone to go over and cast their vote, whether it's a boy or girl. Then we'll do the gender reveal, then eat.
You know, I know we can depend on when it comes out to these things, okay? Y'all traders, bro.
We don't want a girl. We don't want a girl. No, we don't want a girl. No, I mean, you took the boy. You took the boy.
We take what we get, right?
Yeah, we take it.
We happy either way.
Yeah.
Y'all traders, that's all it is.
How you feeling, young lady?
I'm very happy.
Yes,
I'm
indeed.
going to be a sports mom.
Okay. Well, you know what? It's a boy, and we work hard for that, you know? All of us.
Wait a minute. I think I did most of the work.
Knowing Greg, you probably did. Don't you?
Don't tell him I said
Ready?
All right.
Oh, yeah. You know what they say, Greg?
Bullshit, what you saying?
The bigger the cut, the bigger the man. Oh.